Okay, welcome. We're going to make some banana fritters. So you need some banana, vanilla for the flavoring, some sugar, sweeten it. Yeah, because sometimes it comes out fresh. Flour, and we're gonna add a little olive flour. You don't have to add the olive flour, but we're gonna add it to give it a little fiber. So first thing you want to do is peel the bananas. Now that you've peeled the bananas, you're going to mash them out. This might take some time, so I'm going to mash them out real good till they're almost liquefied. If you have a cake mixer, it would do faster than this, but we're doing it the old-fashioned way with a fork, real Jamaican style. We're just mashing it out, mixing it in there, you know, with a nice little mash. You want to make sure you mash it out as much as possible, so you don't have any lumps when you fry it, because it has a weird taste when you have lumps in it. So you just mash it out. Look at that. Yeah. Now when you mash it out. Now when you mash it out, you're gonna add in your sugar. You put how much sugar you feel is necessary. There's not an actual measurement. Throw in some vanilla. And now, tip a little salt, bring out the flavor. A little bit of salt, not too much. Now we're gonna add an egg. The egg isn't really necessary, but I'm gonna put it in there because I like it in there. You don't have to put the egg in there. Yes. Then we just mix that in together. Give it a nice little flavor. Just mix it in, you mix it in. Yeah. I think that's enough. Now you mix it in, you're gonna add your flour. We're using both white and olive flour because we want to make it a little healthy. Now you can't use the olive flour by itself because it absorbs the oil too much, so you have to mix it with the white flour so it doesn't do that. Mix it in, just mix it in. Mix it in there, mix it in there, mix it in. We haven't added the olive flour yet. This is white flour, so just mix it in there. As I said, if you have a cake mixer, mix it in properly and faster. So we're just using what we have. Now, after you've done that, you see it hard up, you're gonna add some water. Loosen it. Now that you add the water, mix it around till it becomes liquefied again. And you mix it and you mix it and you mix it. You can actually taste it if it is sweet, but we won't do that. We know it's alright. Now, you add the whole wheat flour for that little kick of fiber. And you mix it. You mix it and you mix it. This is actually too soft, it will absorb the oil, so we're gonna add a little more flour. White flour. Make it a little tighter. Still too soft, trust me. You probably think this is mixed correctly. It isn't. It will absorb the oil and become it ain't right. We're gonna add a little more flour. We're gonna use some whole wheat flour and a little more white flour. We're gonna mix it. Want to make sure you get everything in there, you know. Every meat will make a mark. Now it is just right. Just right. Now we're gonna get the pot heated. And while the pot is heating, you just mix it around more to get all the mixtures in correctly. Okay, maybe it's a little too thick. Tip a little water, a little water. When you're in Jamaica and you're cooking, you don't use measurements. You just put what you feel is necessary. And that's how you get that nice Jamaican feel toward a meal. So you just, it's in there, yes, mixed in there. Now that we have our mixture, we're going to heat our pot and add it. Now our pot is being heated. We're going to add our oil. Simply natural. You can use any oil you have. You don't want to put too much oil in there, but you don't want to put too little bit either. So we're gonna let that heat up. And then when it is hot enough, we add our fritters mix. Banana fritters, by the way. I should have said that at the beginning of the video. And then we just fry. So the pot is being heated. Now you can drop a little of the mixture in it to see if it's hot, but we're not going to do that. We're just gonna watch it. Shouldn't take too long. Let's see. Now you can drop it whatever size you want. Drop them so that the pot can hold as much as possible. Now we're not going to fry the entire vat in this video. We're just going to fry those and let you see how they turned out. So just bear with us. The hotter the pot when you put them in is the better, so they won't stick. Even if you're a non-stick pot, it's better if you let the pot heat to the right temperature. This could have been hotter, but we're going to work with it as is. So you just let them fry until you see it coming together. I'm gonna move them around so they don't stick together. Nice. We're not going to turn them as yet. We want the other side to get the right color, so they're golden brown. This one can be flipped. It's not golden brown, but it can be flipped. Oh, I hate when they stick. This one is being destroyed. See, it has that nice golden brown color. That's how we want them to turn out. And see, they have that nice golden brown color. You just let them fry on the other side and we flip them back over. Let this side fry a little more, then we take them out. And you should have a nice Jamaican breakfast. Now you want them to soak as properly as possible, so I'm not going to turn them as yet. Just let them simmer. Now there's no specific time to turn in them, you just have to know. You can check and look at their color, but we're not going to do that. We just know when they're fried. We turn them back over just to give them a darker color, but we want them a little darker than that. So now we're going to take them out. Nice golden brown. Now this is the finished product. Jamaican fritters. Well, fritters fried by a Jamaican. So this brings our video to an end. Remember to subscribe, like and share, and let us know what you'd like to see us cook next. And see you in the next one. Peace.